People in Ecosystems Watershed Integration, or PEWI, is an interactive, web-based learning tool that explores the relationship between land use decisions, watershed flow patterns, and ecosystem service trade-offs. In PEWI, you manage your own simulated watershed, and the decisions are up to you. Sandbox is where you will have the most leeway in simulating your watershed. On your left are 15 land use options available to you. The default selection for the map is the land use type conventional corn. You can edit the map by clicking on the buttons on the left panel. Information down below will show you which icons have been selected. You can individually paint land use types onto the map or get multiple at once with the grid paintbrush. To fill the entire watershed with the selected land type, hit Shift and click on the map. Press R to randomize land use types, U to undo previous land changes, D to rotate clockwise, A to rotate counterclockwise, W to pivot towards the horizon, S to pivot towards the perpendicular, Q to toggle flying mode. Use the up and down arrow keys to zoom in and out, left and right to pan left and right, right-click to rotate the watershed with your mouse. The Precipitation tab allows you to change precipitation throughout the years randomly. The Years tab allows you to add years to your simulation. By clicking on the fourth tab, you can see how nitrate, erosion, and phosphorus affect your watershed. The fifth tab will show you information on flood frequency, strategic wetlands, sub-watershed boundaries, drainage classes, and soil classes. The Yield tab allows you to see how precipitation and soil type can affect different yields. To learn more information about all of the different features of PEWI, hit the Escape key or click on the glossary where you will find all of the entries and other videos for information. On your right is the information box to provide more information. The Results tab will show you your scores and your watershed's performance, where you can see your yield scores, ecosystem scores, and other parameters in a table format and a graphics format. Press P to access the print function, or click on the printer icon on your top left-hand corner, where you can create a PDF with your scores and maps, preview it, and print it out. You can also print out the glossary entries as well and download them. Hit the Escape key and click on the Instructor options, where you can disable land use types, customize the information that appears when you hover over the map, customize hotkeys, change years available, and toggle the application statistics. By pressing B, you can record your actions. To see your recording, go back to the main menu and click on Utilities. Then, Run User Simulation, where you can upload your recording. A bar at the bottom left of the screen will show the recording's progress, and you can fast forward and rewind. To learn more about this feature, the Record glossary entry will provide more information. PEWI also offers a multiplayer mode that implements the download and uploading feature, where you may allocate different parts of the map to different players. The multiplayer mode glossary entry will provide more information about this feature. Finally, Play Mode is another way to interact with PEWI with more restrictions. In Play Mode, you are given different objectives in each level, and you must complete those objectives to move on. PEWI is optimized for laptop and desktop usage. Now, go ahead and try it.